Hi, I'm Elaine Freund. I'm an international consultant on high sensitivity. I lead retreats for highly sensitive people, sometimes in California with my horses, and sometimes all across the world at beautiful spa like retreat centers. What's special about that? The food is prepared, it's nourishing and healthy. There is a spa where you can have massage and relaxation, meditation classes, ample time to be in nature. We will find a way to create a nourishing, supportive, loving community among highly sensitive people. It's been a hell of a couple of years, and you deserve this. So I hope you'll join us. I can't wait to meet you in person and spend time together. I'll be our guide and our facilitator. I'll take questions, whatever you want to ask, but mostly I'm going to help us get to know each other and build those deep connections that we all crave and love because we are highly sensitive and empathy is our superpower.